Hello, this is Mocha's Makeup Madness. I am so excited to open my Toolbox Beauty makeup brushes by Harush, the fabulous makeup artist. So it arrived. I got the PR super duper 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 package. And so I'm going to take my little scalp razor and just slice it and dice it to get to the goodies. We're going full Benihana's. Okay. Oh. Well, I don't want you to see that. It's got too much personal information. But look at it. It's beautiful. It says Toolbox. Toolbox Beauty. It's stunning. Okay, so I'm going to get to the goodies because I've been waiting. This is like my man's. I said, what do you want for Christmas? I said, don't judge me, but I need a new set of brushes. And these brushes should end my brush desires because based on her and her fabulousness, I trust her. And so here we go. Here are the brushes. Here are all the goodies. The toolbox situation. I think it's telling you which brushes are for what. But here it is. Okay. I don't know where to start. Okay, I'll just start with the biggest, which is this one. Some of them are dual-ended, which is not really my jam, but the way she uses them, so these are the powders. Oh my God, I can't get to it. Harush, I can't, okay. How about this way? Oh wow, this is a dual-ended powder one. The hairs are, yeah, just as I expected. Perfect. Okay, and then, okay, I gotta get to the complexion stuff because that's what she made me like, oh, if I can move quicker and smarter. Let me bring you closer so you can see the thickness. Okay, that's what I call myself, the thickness, because I'm really assed up. And for real, I'm not kidding. Oh, wow. These things are so thick. I can't get them off. What? I don't want to. God, girl. But look at that. Look at that. That's that complexion situation. And then I'm going to pull this one down because I don't have scissors. I don't have any. Oh, girl. This is embarrassing. For me, not you. Okay. I can't get to it. But I know this is tear it? Okay. Don't judge. But here's the other end. So, I saw her use this with skincare and foundation, which is really smart, and like concealer. Okay. So, I'm just so excited. I've been away for a minute. My mom left the earth, so I have to go take care of that. Hey, this must be contour and concealer. What? Huh. Maybe this is skin, foundation, and blending. I don't know. I didn't read it. But this right here, look at the two ends. Look at that one. And then this one. I just feel like this is her. Oh, okay. Slide it. Okay, we'll go down. But I'm so excited, guys. Brushes matter so much. And so I'm assuming this is like contour and concealer. And I love her. And then I just gotta snatch it off because, from Inglewood, ain't nobody got time for this. Okay. And then I'm assuming like foundation, right? Or, I think she used this one to contour. I'm not sure, but I'm all in. Let's see if this one, number 3 in the PR box, is the one I'm thinking is foundation. And it is. Y'all, I was wrong. Oh no, I can't get it off. It's so fancy that, Okay, this, yeah, I think this is foundation. I think this is foundation. And this, okay, let's try it. I don't know what to do, Arush. It's so fan. Ooh, what is that? What is this one? Oh, foundation, concealer. Let's take this shit off so I can get to the getting. Girl, I don't want to use my mouth, but I'm getting very... Okay, we'll just tear it down. Inglewood, school system. Okay, done. Bye. I want you to see what I see. And then if I go this way, maybe it'll all just slide off. Yes. Okay. So, foundation and skincare. I saw it. And then look at the way that's curved. I love makeup artists that create tools. You know, I love it. Like Rianne with the Beauty Blender. Harush with these super duper brushes. Girl. I feel like you're making our job so much easier. I also feel like I need to wrap this video up because I'm already at, I don't have my readers. I don't know if that's 6 or 8 minutes, but probably need to stop. So I'm gonna, oh, what your name is? Oh, honey, look at that. Oh, she cute. She has many. She's probably a duster. She could be like a, many things. Powder, bronzer. I don't know, but I'm excited. And then I said I'm gonna wrap it up, but then I keep going because, oh, what is your malfunction? Oh, that's some under the eye shit right there. Oh, honey, set that powder. What? Oh, girl, these hairs. Girl, you've shown out. And then the other few are eye brushes. I'm going to wrap this up because I know people get like bored watching videos, but Toolbox Beauty brushes. Y'all better get into the know. Miss Harush, badass makeup artist. I found you on Instagram, or I don't know if you popped up on my YouTube, but I fell in love and I'm so inspired. I'm going to start following you, sugar. Super grateful. Thank you for these brushes. I know without question, you're going to make my job easier. And I'm grateful. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh, okay. Stop. Where's the stop on this shit? Oh, pause? Okay.